G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some more goodies that our insatiable copper customers cannot get enough of.
Absolutely. The copper craze, Alex. It's been going on, I think, a little bit longer than some people expected.
Yep, and a lot longer than a lot would have thought.
That's it.
It's still going strong. So here we got some more, as per popular request, arrived from Germania Mint.
So, as we always say, I'm going to just get to it right from the start. Certainly not the cheapest way to buy copper. If you head down to your local hardware store and pick up some copper piping, that will absolutely be a cheaper way of getting a hold of copper, but it's still a really cool way to stack it in a pure bar form. I actually grabbed together some of the silver Germania bars in comparison as well, just to kind of compare them one next to the other. Because we have taken a look at these before, but yeah, we've got the 5-ounce bars and the 10-ounce cast bars. The just raw versions that they've done in the kilos.
So look, the thing about these copper bars, this is probably some of the most beautiful copper you will feast your eyes on. A lot nicer looking than the pipes laying around, but you will be paying a premium on them, that's for sure. This is what Ruben was talking about in comparison with the silver, but they do stack along nicely together.
Absolutely. Kind of really want to take one out of its packaging and leave it kind of exposed to the elements to get that like classic green copper look. I feel like
yes,
it'll probably ruin the beauty of it. I don't know. Let me know if I'm crazy.
I have seen one. Our very own co-worker Rudo's got one, and it actually looks like a very cool desert camo pattern.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was actually quite impressed with it. But
I'll have to ask him to see that one.
But that's the comparison between those two, and we have the smaller ones as well. And these are, of course, the 5-ounce little brothers there.
Very cool.
In comparison to a silver 5-ounce.
Very, very cool. Whether you're just getting it as a bit of a novelty, whether you're getting it just to fill out the stack, or because silver's getting too expensive, whatever it might be. We see lots of different arguments for us to get this through, and we're trying to keep up with demand, Alex, trying to give the people what they want. Hopefully, we will see some other variants and stuff like that of this moving forward. As much as I'm sure some people are sitting there going, please let it die already.
You're scratching their heads going,
that's it.
What? But it is what it is, yeah. And like I said, by popular demand, we're still carrying and we're still bringing more in because they are still selling and selling out.
But continue to let us know what you think down in the comments below. I'm sure if I ask for what other metals they might want in replacement, we'll get some oddball answers down there instead. But yeah, let us know what you think.
And no doubt, I'll buy those myself.
Of course.
Thanks, guys.